Alright, today's video, I'm going to do the review on the Timber Tuff Chainsaw Sharpener. However, if you notice in the box what it comes with, right off the bat, is a 3/16 grinding wheel. That's not the kind you need. I learned that the hard way. What you need to order on top of that is the 1/8 one, which will be used generally with most of the chainsaws for the home edition person. This bigger one that it comes with is more for the professional. The design itself is pretty simple, straightforward, very easy to use. While you got the cover off your chainsaw before you sharpen it, it's a good time to clean that up as well. As you can see right there, I got it set up for about 30 degrees, but you can go anywhere from 0, I think, to like 32 degrees. We're going to open this up. The chain actually goes between this right here and this dowel right here. Adjust it so that lock holds it right exactly where you want to cut it. And then you need to adjust this with the thumb screw at the back so you don't go right through, damage the chain, and also grind this. So I got it set up right now where I want it to go. Rob, can you feel the power? This thing's a beast. So I'm going to end the video there of this chainsaw chain sharpener. It is a little bit of work getting it set up, but I'm not going to lie, the first time I used it, I didn't realize it had the wrong kind of grinding stone. In my chain I kind of botched it, but it still works. Sharpened her up. Works like a bloody charm. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Someone's gonna ask, and the answer is no. Ever since I took the carb apart and seafoamed the hell out of it, I've never had an issue with it not starting or bogging out ever again. Knock on wood.